Figure AI is continuing to push humanoid robotics into territory that once felt impossible. In its latest Helix Zero 2 demonstration, the company showed a humanoid robot cleaning and organizing a messy bedroom with a level of coordination that immediately caught attention across the technology world. Instead of simply picking up a single object or performing a scripted routine, the robot handled a complete room cleanup task while adapting to changing conditions in real time. The bedroom used in the demonstration looked like a realistic living space filled with clothing, pillows, toys, and scattered household items. Helix Zero 2 was able to identify objects, decide where they belonged, and move around the room naturally while completing the task. What made the demonstration impressive was the robot's ability to perform long sequences of actions without constant human intervention. Figure says Helix Zero 2 combines vision, reasoning, and full body movement into one neural system. That allows the robot to understand cluttered environments and interact with unfamiliar objects. During the cleanup process, the humanoid bent down to grab items from the floor, adjusted its grip when needed, and placed objects in organized locations around the room. The company is clearly trying to show that humanoid robots are moving beyond factory-style demonstrations and into everyday household environments. Bedroom cleaning may sound simple for humans, but for robots it requires advanced spatial awareness, dexterity, memory, and decision-making. One of the biggest talking points surrounding Helix Zero 2 is how smooth and natural the movements appear compared to earlier humanoid robots. The robot walks with more confidence, reacts quickly to obstacles, and performs tasks in a way that feels less mechanical. As competition in artificial intelligence robotics continues to grow, Figure AI is positioning Helix Zero 2 as a serious step toward robots that could eventually assist people inside their homes on a daily basis.